Following up from the last video, here we're going to show you how you can use free online courses as lead magnets for your business. In this video,
we're going to show you the basics of how an online course works with Memberium and ActiveCampaign,
and how you can use free courses to consistently generate more qualified leads for your business automatically with free courses. Nowadays, online courses and membership sites are pretty common. It's pretty hard to tell whether spending your money would be worth it or not. This is where a free version of your paid program can deliver a lot of value for you. By having a free mini version of your paid course or membership program allows you to demonstrate your expertise and help people actually understand the type of value that they get from joining your paid program. Offering a free course like this helps serve as a lead magnet for your business and can ultimately help you attract more paying members and increase your overall conversions. Memberium makes it really easy for you to create free online courses. Here I'm going to show you how it works. The way that it works is you have a web form that's embedded on a landing page. When they fill out the web form on the landing page with their name and email, that then triggers off the automation inside of an
ActiveCampaign.
A Memberium password is automatically generated for the user, and they're sent their welcome email that gives them access to the free course they've opted into. Or you can also auto log in the member directly to the course area, and they're only given access to the free content that you've included in the free course that you're giving away. Here's an example of what this looks like in real life with one of our customers and their site, Grayspace. You have your landing page or web form. Once the web form is submitted, they're then auto-logged into the members area. You can also set it up so they have to confirm their email first to be able to get the free course. However you want to set it up is up to you. And then once they're in the free course area, they then get a picture of what it would be like to be a paid member of your program. In the top left, they can access the module that they've been given access to. And then also you can see there's that other course, 4 Steps to Mental Freedom. That's a bonus free course that they've been given. Both of these courses deliver value to the prospect and help paint a picture of what it would be like to be a full member of the Grayspace program. In the free members area, you can also display relevant offers depending on where they're at in your sales funnel. The next step after this is to join Grayspace. So you can see there, you could display messages trying to get them to upgrade their membership to the paid program, or you could display messages to try to get them to purchase a low-dollar tripwire offer, or whatever the next step is in your sales funnel. And then you can see if you scroll down, you can see there's the other modules and everything that's included in the paid version of the program. You could see that you have an opportunity to upgrade your membership. Following up on that example, here's an example from our own membership site called membership.coach. Instead of creating a separate free version of the membership.coach program, we've just taken all of the content from our first 2 modules and we give it away for free. We have our landing page here. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. So once we've filled out the web form, auto-logged into the first module of the program, we can see here we can go in and watch the welcome video. Okay, so here's the first welcome video that overviews everything that they get in the site. This free version of the course also uses LearnDash. To move on to the next step, I will click Mark Complete. Then you can see it takes me to the next step. I'm going to go back to the Courses menu. Going back into the course library, the cool thing that Memberium allows you to do is display content dynamically. You can see I've opted into this free version of the membership program. I only get access to the first 2 modules. Now you can see these are open. If I try to scroll through any of the other modules, I can see those are all locked. Because Memberium knows what
ActiveCampaign
tags that you have. I only have access to the free course, so it's only displaying these 2 free courses as being unlocked. If I was a paid member to this program, I'd have all of these courses would be unlocked. But since I am a free member, these are going to be displayed as being locked, or since that's how we have the site set up. If I click in to any of these locked modules, I'm then sent to an excerpt page that lets me know this is only available for paid members, and that I'll have to upgrade my membership to be able to unlock that portion of the site. You can do the same with your own online course or membership site, and also giving some of your content away for free helps demonstrate the value that somebody would get from joining your paid program. Also, if you want to check out this free course yourself, there's a link directly below this video where you can opt in and watch all of these videos, and also check out some of the videos within our showcase. So that's it for the basics of how a free online course works with Memberium. To continue on to the next step, click the Mark Complete button, and we'll see you in the next video.